take it from me, you will never be happy with a criminal.
Thank you for coming. You like some tea?
Huge Chocolate brings you a brand new chocolate bar made with 70% pure chocolate and 100% wow appeal. Now available in all good retailers or a supermarket near you. Huge Chocolate, probably the best chocolate you'll ever taste.
What are you doing here? I'm sure you and Penju have a lot of top-secret backdoor business to attend to.
Look,
Automatic weapons fire reported in the shopping center. Backup requested. I see you.
How's your connect? You getting everything you need?
no man. I haven't been back to Popstar since I left Dog Eyes. I'm not sure how he's gonna take it.
Want me to talk to him?
Yeah. I'm just about out. So grab my next shipment and make sure everything is cool.
Hey, is Popstar around?
What will a nice-looking boy like you want with my boyfriend?
You Popstar?
Who's asking?
Look, I work for Winston. Dirty Ming's operating in our territory. I want to make sure he's supplied.
Sure, I'll fix him up. But
But what?
I gotta get paid in advance. I'll make it easy for you. A couple of deadbeat junkies owe me money. Guys used to deal for me before they became their own best customer. Collect what they owe me, and I'll hook your man up.
Who the hell are you?
lot of unpaid debts. Popstar prayed real hard this morning. Time for you fuckers to pay up.
喂，大佬冇啊！我對腳好震啊！Who the fuck is this?
He's okay. One of Winston's guys.
Yeah? Guess son on you will take on anyone these days.
Who's that?
Feng Shen, best shit in Hong Kong. You got my money?
Got your money.
Here's your package. Tell Ming to stick with girls over 14 this time. It's the cops. Stay cool.
Hey, you two, come over here.
Let's go.
Stop! Under arrest.
It's the cops. Stay cool.
Hey, you two, come over here. Stop! Under arrest.
Stop what you're doing and give yourself up! You! Stop! Put your hands in the air and leave! Now!
一個啦！
SKPD! Stop running!
What have you found?
Not enough to bust Popstar, but I also met a supplier, a guy named Fang Shen. Find out where he hangs out, and I'll see if I can get something on him.
I'll get back to you.
Oh, I need Oma. Got the stuff, right?
Don't worry, I got your stuff right here.
Now I can start making money again.
Oh my god! That you made.
Another thing, keep that lowlife guy away from our house. If you want to live in the country, don't bring it home with you.
The suspect has been spotted! We got them! We got them!
Inspector Tang, this is Wei. Fang Shan is down. Popstar will have to reach out to another supplier. I'm thinking we bag them both at once.
I agree.
And if I'm gonna get close to him, I'm gonna need a good disguise. Can you have your people send something over?
All right. Keep me informed.
Got it.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
I like to think.
What can I help you? Here.
So what brings you to Hong Kong? You thinking of becoming Chinese?
No, I just finished college and I'm doing a bit of traveling. You know, figuring out what to do with my life, that sort of thing.
How's that going?
Well, I've only been traveling for a few weeks, so no real progress on the life front.
So this is the Bam Bam Club.
Back home I saw a restaurant that looked a little bit like this.
Don't let the locals hear you say that.
Well, I've only been traveling for a few weeks, so no real progress on the life front. But I'm checking out Hong Kong for a while. What about you? You got it all figured out?
I wouldn't say that. I got a few family issues I'm working on clearing up. Maybe once that's dealt with, I'll get on to figuring out life.
Oh yeah? You got any pointers?
Well, the trick to Hong Kong is learning to live by ancient Chinese.
Wow. This is a pretty cool place for a kung fu school.
Unfortunately, the school isn't in the temple. Well, not that temple, anyway.
Didn't they use this temple as a backdrop for, what was it, Fists of Carnage?
No, it was using the grandfathers of the Shaolin Fist. Well, the trick to Hong Kong is learning to live by ancient Chinese wisdom. Look both ways before crossing the street, always buckle your seatbelt, and only apply makeup at red lights. Don't text and drive, you know, that kind of thing.
Words to live by. Isn't this school supposed to be in a temple?
Yep. Yi. I see time in America has rusted your skin. Apparently it's rusted your concentration. My understanding of the term couch potato goes better by the Did you practice by watching television? Wait, I try to steer them in the right direction, especially the younger ones. But they all want to.
Big Taste 火鍋打邊爐，嘆下我哋嘅蒙古火鍋，為你嘅生活添上熱辣辣嘅感覺。灼煮食 Big Taste 火鍋，熱辣辣。
嗰條冚家鏟啊！你條仆街妖仔！喂 ，get over here now！
You tried to kill
Are you gonna let me in?
What do you think you're doing?
I got a message from Dog Eyes. You want to tell him you sent me away?
Dog Eyes? Oh, sorry, of course. Come on in, sir.
Hey, buddy, VIP's only.
What's going on in there?
This is one of the best karaoke rooms in the city. Nobody gets in without a hostess or the boss's approval.
I'm sure we can work something out.
Work something out with the hostess.
Whoa. Damn. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Tiffany. Nice to meet you.
I'm Wei. Wei Shen. You're a karaoke hostess, right? Can you get me into the VIP room?
Sure. Just come with me. You have a bit of an accent. Are you from around here?
Yeah, originally, but, I was in the States for a long time.
Oh, that's so cool. I always wanted to go.
So, what's Benny like?
Benny? You mean the manager?
Yeah,
Benny's nice enough. He always makes sure you get paid on time.
that's good. So, who does he rely on for protection?
Let's go sing. Come on. Sing me a song.
Central these days. All people care about nice apartments. Nobody else has large public collections of anything fun.
我好唔同㗎，我諗所以我咁閪啲咯。起碼我真係食飯。Hey baby，中意咪買咯，大嘅嘢都買就冇得着㗎啦。咁你知啲咩叫茶古綠啊？你啊好柒啊！我哋是但啦，中意咪買咯，大嘅嘢唔買就冇得着㗎啦。我走先啦。
Wow, you're actually really good.
Listen, I like it down here, but back home, I'm used to a little more. You'd be the person I'd talk to about that, right? Can I get a VIP room?
Yes, of course. It's much nicer up there. Go ahead to the lounge upstairs. I'll get the room set up.
咁講去邊啊？
Bye, Wei.
Oh, hey. Who the fuck are you?
I'm looking for Benny.
Hey, Benny.
Yeah.
Some guy here wants to talk to you.
Hey, what can I do for you?
I have a message from an old friend, Winston Chu.
Winston? Well, this isn't such a good idea. I think you should leave.
He wants you to know that Dog Eyes isn't your problem anymore. If he gives you...
Get out of the club now! I learned God is great.
Benny, get the fuck out here! Benny, I know you're in there!
Just imagine how your pops feel. And you ain't worth my shells, so you should just imagine how the I feel. Thousand days, around front like I feel. For what it's worth, I run myself. And my strength in the hood runs my wealth. Yeah, catch kids and some hot wheels. Bentley, with the stock bills. Look how I get back to it. I don't spit cars and distribute the fluid. All I'm really waiting for to act stupid. That pop off to nothing in the clip left. Turn on when it's click left. Over the head, slash on the split chest. Hustle hard to the middle of the list. Stick it up to the control on the strip left. Ain't sure I need a chain or a chip left. If they ask what happened, I'm kissing that. Tell them kiss it. Sorry for keeping you waiting. I'm tired, but the garbage be I'm just making your relationship. Kids talking about me. Hustle hard to none of the bitch left. Stick it up to the drum on the strip left. Ain't sure I need a chain or a chip left. Tell them it's the kissing death. Tell them kiss Black man, shoot your friendly neighborhood, policeman. Cause they'll say you got a gun and just cell in your hand.
Relax, Benny. I'm not gonna kill you.
Okay.
Just look.